welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Hopefully everyone okay. Today I bring another recipe, very healthy and high protein recipe. It's called chicken fajitas. So guys, very healthy recipe, very easy to cook. So I'm taking you all in my kitchen. So let's go and let's begin. So guys, for chicken fajitas ingredients I have got boneless chicken 380 gram, black pepper crust half teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, paprika powder only for coloring half teaspoon, ginger powder half teaspoon, fresh garlic crust about 4 to 5, chilli powder half teaspoon, cumin powder half teaspoon, salt half teaspoon, and half lime. Olive oil 2 to 3 tablespoons. Bell peppers I take all colors half. 1 red onion. And for chutney I have got handful of coriander leaves, 2 fresh garlic, 4 fresh chilli, and half teaspoon of salt. Then I'm taking low fat sugar, Greek style yogurt, then sour cream. So first we are going to cut the chicken the long way. So I'm going to cut like this, very thin. Like this side, very thin and long. When you finish cut the chicken, you can see guys, you have to cut the long and thin slice like that. Next I'm going to marinate the chicken. So I'm going to put all spices. Paprika, coriander powder, pepper, salt, cumin powder, chili powder, fresh garlic crust, ginger powder, then squeeze the lime, then I'm going to mix. Next I'm going to cut the bell peppers. So I'm telling you how to cut. So I'm taking half, take out the all seed, gently cut from the top. Then I'm going to cut the long way, like this size, not very thick, not very thin. So guys, if you mix all colors, it look beautiful. You can put only one color as well. Then same time I'm going to cut onion as well. Then separate like this. So once when you cut all this bell peppers and onion, put in one side. I'm making the chutney or sauce. Garlic, chili, salt and coriander and plain yogurt, low fat and sour cream. So first I'm going to put coriander. Then green chili. So guys, if you don't like to put any raw garlic, it's totally optional. And salt. Put salt according to your taste. About 4 tablespoons of the yogurt. Sour cream, about 2 tablespoons. Put little bit lime juice. Then I'm going to grind till this smooth. So guys, this is a chutney ready. Look at the color, how beautiful. So make sure it's smooth and proper grind like this. Next I'm taking the deep fry pan. So guys, you can use the proper fry pan, flat one. So let it warm first, then add the olive oil, 2 to 3 spoons, not too much. Let it warm. Then when it's hot, then add the chicken. Then cook in the slow to medium gas about 15 minutes till the chicken cook. So guys, you can see how beautiful color is. So it's very good for the who try to lose weight. This is a very high protein and there is a very less amount of the fat. There is nothing fat in the boneless chicken. So keep stirring up. We're not going to add any water or anything. Then cover up. Then let it cook 2 to 3 minutes. Then stir up again. So guys, you see the color has changed and water is start to come out. So don't need to add any water. Smell is amazing. Then going to put lid back again. Then I'm going to put gas little bit low. Then let it cook. So guys, you can see it's the natural water come out. So I didn't add any water. So I'm going to put the gas a little bit up so can we fry the chicken. So it's nearly cooked. We don't need to cook over like overcook or anything. Check if it's cooked, then we have to fry. Dry the all water. So you can see its water is dry and chicken is cooked. Chicken is break down like this. So make sure you properly cook inside. And while it starts to separate, you can see it's there. No water at all. Then next I'm going to add our peppers and onions together. Then mix all together. So guys, make sure no cook too much, only 2 to 3 minutes, otherwise it's all soggy and overcooked. I like quite crunchy, so only I'm going to cook 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, it's 2 to 3 minutes already. It's cooked, so I'm going to gas off, otherwise the pepper will be overcooked. Look at the color, it's beautiful, stunning color. Types of the tortilla is one is a whole wheat, this is the brown, and another one is the white. So first I'm going to show the white. So it's ready made, so white is look like this one. Quite white. So I'm going to warm up slightly. Then put in the middle like that. You can feel the thick or thin. Put chutney in the middle. Just look like this one. Then fold it first and second. Then you can eat like this. Or you can cut, fold it, then hold tight, then gently fold, then cut in the middle. Can make like this. So this is the whole meal. This is a little bit small size of the tortilla. So you don't need a cut in the middle, so you can just fill it. So this is the, you can just leave it like that. Hold this one very, very tight. Then just eat it like that. So another one is filling, you can fill. Then you can put the garlic mayo. It's up to you how much you want to put it. Then green chutney. Chicken fajitas is ready. So you can see how delicious it's looking. It's super healthy and high protein. So guys, you must try this recipe. It's very, very easy. It's very healthy. So you must try this recipe. So thank you very much for watching my video. Hopefully you liked my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would be much appreciated for that. Thanks for watching my video once again, and take care everyone. See you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.